Welcome back, everyone. I'm so glad to see you. Let's make some pasta salad. This is how I make mine. It's how I like mine. Some salami, some pepperoni, some zesty Italian, some tricolor rotini, carrots, cucumber, and pepper jack, mozzarella, and Colby Jack cheese is what I chose. So to start off, salt your pasta water. Put in some pasta when it starts boiling and just follow the box directions, okay? Mixy mix. Okay, now let's cut up our vegetables while the noodles are cooking. Cucumber, carrots, choppy chop. Okay, and the noodles are done cooking, so that's good because you want to rinse them off with cold water and then put them in the fridge so that they can cool down before you mix them up with your cheese and vegetables, because do not, I repeat, do not mix your hot noodles with your cheese. You do not want to melt your cheese and ruin your pasta salad. That would be such a bummer. Okay, now there's carrots. Okay, so now this is just all the leftover vegetables I put in a little Tupperware for my pets, Piper and my birdies. Okay, so now cut up all your cheese. Yes, that's right, I said cut the cheese. I like to do it diagonally and then obviously the other way. You can obviously use absolutely whatever vegetables you want and absolutely whatever cheese you want. This is just what I like I said in the beginning. Now here's the salami, which you look in the bowl. I cut it up for some reason the first bunch as pizza shaped, and then the second batch I did as squares. I like the squares better. It's all in there. Pepperoni's the last thing.
Pepperoni?
Mm-hmm. Cucumber's at the bottom. All right, now I'm just chopping up the pepperoni. Chop it up or do whatever you'd like with it. Or don't put it in at all if you don't like it. Now try to mix it as best you can. As you can see, I ended up putting it into a bigger container so I can mix it better. Now the noodles on top. We're going to end up mixing this though, obviously. I use one whole bottle. You can use seasonings or whatever you like in your pasta salad. You can do absolutely whatever you want. Now put the lid on it and put it in the fridge. So of course it's delicious right after you make it, like in the picture right here. But my recommendation is to put it in the fridge for about 12 to 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every single one of you. And please consider clicking that subscribe button if you haven't already. It is completely free and all it does is help us out. So click it. If it doesn't say subscribed with a D at the end, click it. Okay? Have a good one. See you next time.